If you want to grow your WhatsApp contact, you're trying to build a WhatsApp TV, you want to increase your WhatsApp influence, you want to increase your sales, there are a lot of videos on the internet, but this particular video I'm going to show you how you can grow your WhatsApp contact. All you need to do now, the reason you need to listen to me is that I've been able to grow my WhatsApp from less than 100 to over 15,000 contacts, and I get an average of over 5,000 views every post, right? In some of my previous videos, I've been able to show you guys my contact base, and I'm going to be teaching you step by step how you can grow your WhatsApp contact fast in 30 days. Yes, if you can watch this video from the beginning to the end, trust me, you're going to see tons of content that is going to help you. And I'll be giving you a bonus tip of how you can turn this your WhatsApp contact into money making magnet at the end of the video. So this video is very loaded. If you're watching my channel for the first time, we are over 17,000 plus subscribers. This is the Alpha Wolf channel where I teach you how to make money online. I give you valuable content. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn my bell post notification on. So how can you grow your WhatsApp contact fast in 30 days? Let me show you guys step by step. So the first method is the WhatsApp sharing method. Basically, what you're going to do is you're going to leverage on the contacts you have. You're going to ask the people that are following you to share a link. You can use this code that I've used here. This link, https://wa.me/ you put your phone number here. They can write something interesting like, this guy is a YouTube content creator and can teach you how to make money. Click on this link to follow him and learn how to make money. That is, if I was going to send this to people, I'll be like, they should post it on their status, and other people are going to click on the link, and then I can add their number and save their contact immediately. You can even customize it to talk about yourself, the kind of business you do, so that once they post it on their status or they share it to their own contact, their contact will automatically become your contact. This is the first way you can grow your WhatsApp contact, right? The second thing you need to do is to join WhatsApp groups. Now, an average WhatsApp group has like 200 members. If you join a WhatsApp group that has 200 members, all you need to do is to look for groups that are related to the industry you are, and maybe you want to build a community of people that are in e-commerce or stuff like that. You go and look for groups that are e-commerce related, or you want to build a community of people that are going to be watching your YouTube channel and you want to make entertainment videos. You need to go and look for entertainment groups on Facebook, WhatsApp entertainment group, or group of people that are in schools, in universities or stuff, right? Based on the kind of demographic, the kind of people you are looking for, you need to go and join WhatsApp groups that have those people, and you can now begin to message them individually, right? My name is this and this and this and this, kindly save my number so that you can learn more about blah blah blah. So basically, once those contacts save your number, you will increase your WhatsApp contact. I was able to do this for over 50 groups, and I was able to get a lot of contact, tons of contact from this particular method. The next method you should do is you need to promote your number on social media. There are a lot of social media platforms you can leverage on. You know, the big social media platforms, you have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and you can actually use these particular platforms to promote your number, even TikTok. So a lot of you have over 5,000 plus friends on Facebook, 2,000, 1,000 friends on Facebook. If you begin to write stuff, interesting stuff on Facebook, and you put your WhatsApp number there for them to contact you, trust me, a lot of them will message you. If you go on Twitter, you write a trend, you engage in a tweet, or you write about what you do, maybe you have a WhatsApp TV or you have a Telegram group, you put your phone number there, a lot of people from Twitter are going to message you. So you can begin to build your contact from Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. And you know, once you write whatever you want to write, you can just use this same link to actually connect, you know, post it in that your write up, so that the people on Twitter, the people on Facebook, the people on Instagram, through the link can reach out to you, message you, and they can begin to save your number, right? So the next step is for you to run a contest, or you do giveaway. You run a contest or you do giveaway. This method is a method I shared with one of my friends. The girl says like all these hair wigs, and you know, she was complaining to me that she was not getting a lot of sales on her WhatsApp, blah blah blah, that she posts on her status, she doesn't get a lot of sales. And I told her, man, what you're going to do is just pick a wig that is very affordable, do like a contest, and do a giveaway. So the contest is the person that refers to you the highest number of contact is going to get that wig for free, right? Maybe the wig is worth 5,000 naira. A lot of people will begin to share your number, share your contact, and they can be telling people that they've given your number to say they referred you. So the person that has the highest number of referrals is gonna get that giveaway, is going to win that giveaway. Some people have a lot of people on their WhatsApp contacts, maybe like 2,000 friends, 5,000 friends and stuff. So when you do this kind of contest or giveaway, if they are interested, they don't mind sharing their friends and their community to you. That is one of the ways for you to actually build your contact very fast on WhatsApp. Run contest or giveaway, right? Then the next thing for you to do is you can also pay influencers for promotion. Now, influencers are people that have been able to build a very huge amount of following on a particular social media platform or different social media platforms. So you need to reach out to influencers in your industry and ask them to promote your number. So if basically the kind of WhatsApp contact you want to build are WhatsApp contacts that are going to be watching your YouTube videos and your blog posts, you can look for influencers on Twitter that have a very good following, that their followers, majority of their followers like entertainment. You can tell the influencers to actually promote your number so that you can get followers. I can remember when I started my YouTube channel, I reached out to an influencer on WhatsApp to actually help me promote my YouTube link on his WhatsApp status, and I got a very decent amount of subscribers from him. So you can actually leverage on people that are influencers, and it is even cheaper. You can even look for other people that have WhatsApp TV, they have a lot of followers, tell them to post your number on their status and pay them. Sometimes they collect as low as 500, 1,000, 2,000 naira, and you can get good amount of followers from them, right? The next thing you can also do is to run ads on Facebook and Google. Now, one of the ways to get followers on Facebook and Google is for you to, Google is for you to run adverts. A lot of the people using Facebook have phones, right? You cannot make, most people use their phones to access Facebook and to access Google. So basically, if you can pay Facebook money to run advert, they can post your advert to millions of people, and all you need to do is to just put your phone number there so those people can contact you. Through that method, a lot of people that see your advert and have interest in what your advert is about can begin to message you and reach out to you, and that way you can encourage them to save your number. There was a particular time we did this. There was a course I made. I wanted to sell that course, and one of the ways, and I wanted to also increase my WhatsApp contact. I didn't just want to sell the course, I wanted to also increase my WhatsApp contact. So I run advert, and the advert was to advertise the course, and if you want to get the course, you should message me through my WhatsApp number. And I was able to save a lot of contact and build a lot of followership from that particular method. Now the next method is for you to join a contact gain and buy VCF file. A contact gain is just a WhatsApp group that have been created by people that want to build their WhatsApp contacts. There are a lot of contact gain groups. In the early time when I started my WhatsApp, trying to build my WhatsApp contacts to over 15,000 plus, I used a lot of contact gain. I joined a lot of contact gain group. When you join those group, everybody in that group wants to build their WhatsApp contact. So basically, you're all going to put your name. The person that is creating the contact gain group is going to save everybody's name and everybody's phone number, and once the person does that, he's going to put the file on the WhatsApp contact gain group, and once everybody clicks on that file, that contact will automatically be updated on their own WhatsApp contact, and you will have the phone number of those people. They will have the phone number of they will have your own phone number. They can begin to view your status. I know it sounds a little bit complicated, but it's very easy. Just go and search for on Google, or from Google search WhatsApp contact gain group in Nigeria, and on Facebook search. Once you see those group, join those group, and anything they are doing, they do it. You're going to get a lot of contact, and you can buy VCF file. VCF file is just a file of phone numbers, a file of people's contacts. I can choose to sell all my 15,000 plus contacts to you as VCF file. Then you can go and start reaching out to them individually for them to now save your number, and they can see your WhatsApp status. You can buy VCF files on WhatsApp contact, and you can reach out to them. And there's a way you can even reach out to them automatically by downloading some apps on Play Store for you to do that. But that method, you need to be very careful so that you don't get banned on WhatsApp. So like I said, for you to gain your WhatsApp contact, method number one, you need to use WhatsApp sharing method. People should share your phone number. Number two, you need to join WhatsApp groups. Number three, you need to promote your number on social media platforms. Number four, you need to run contest or do giveaway. Number 5, you need to pay influencers for promotion. Number 6, you need to run adverts on Facebook and Google. Number 7, you need to join WhatsApp contact game and also buy VCF file. I've explained all these 7 to you. Now based on the bonus one I promise you guys, I'll be showing you how you can monetize your WhatsApp contact, right? So for the bonus tip on how to monetize your WhatsApp, since you already learned how to grow your WhatsApp contact, I'm going to put in a link in the description so that you can discover a very simple method that I use to turn complete strangers to customers without chasing after them to buy any product, right? If you have a WhatsApp contact base and you are not making money from it, then you need to go and check that link in my description and follow the step-by-step guides for you to start making money on your WhatsApp. But if you have a strategy on how you monetize WhatsApp contact, you can choose to ignore this bonus tip. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on. If you have any question whatsoever, leave that in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, like it so that the algorithm will promote the video. I'd love to see you in my next video. Bye for now. Alpha Wolf signing out. Please guys, my voice, I've been struggling with my voice. Just try to manage this video. In my next video, my voice is better. I'm going to do well too.